TraderJud here with the weekly charting series. This is pair number 3 of episode number 5 or week number 5 that I've been doing this weekly charting series. And on this pair, we are looking at XauUsd or gold. You'll notice that the weekly time frame, the chart is pretty much the same as what I had last week because last week's candlestick ended up in a doji. I do have this zone drawn up above. The butterfly pattern does complete above this zone. And these arrows just represent kind of where price could possibly go. It could continue upward to complete this butterfly pattern or retest the zone. However, it could also come down and retest this trend line or this trend line over here. Taking a look at the daily time frame, I have a consolidation box drawn because of the consolidation that we've seen for the past couple of weeks, where prices tried to break out of the upside and the downside. So I'm on the daily time frame. If I was trading the daily time frame only and I wasn't looking at the 4-hour time frame, this is what I would be waiting for to break out of, a candlestick to actually break out of this consolidation box, either to the upside or the downside, and I would trade that. But let's drop down to the daily time frame, where you can see I took the consolidation box away and instead added a zone above and below where price has been consolidating. And I've added some trend lines to act as a pendant. If you would like to trade inside of this consolidation zone, this is how you should do it. We have this double top right here that I have marked with a horizontal ray, and I'm just waiting for price to break out of either one of these sides. If price does break out of the downside, I will probably wait for it to break below this this zone before I sell it. If price does break out above, then I'll wait for the break of this double top over here before I buy it. So that's what I'm looking at with gold this week. Typically, I don't personally like trading consolidation areas because price tends to just go up and down with really no rhyme or reason. And I'm more of a trend trader. And with this, if you want to consider this to be a flag pattern, then we're looking for a continuation to the upside, right? Because it was bullish coming into this consolidation, so we expect it to be bullish coming out of it. Which would make sense with the completion of the butterfly pattern that we have over here. However, that's not always what happens. That's not what has to happen. That's just what's more common to see. And so I am expecting this to go bullish out of this consolidation zone. However, that is not always the case, and so that's why we consider ourselves to be reactionary traders. We wait and see what the candlesticks tell us it wants to do, and we react to that. So if you have any questions about XauUsd, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. This is TraderJud. If you have any questions for me, please send me a message on Telegram. I will leave my contact information down below. But that's it. Thanks, guys.